Okay, so hello guys, this is Vinod, and in today's video we'll talk about what is data imputation is, which is one of the things that probably we do when we talk about the data that we use for our forecasting purpose. So let's understand some of the techniques to handle the missing values or the outliers, and and what steps probably we need to take. Now, the first thing is the estimation process. So what is the estimation process? In the estimation process, it says, if in your data set, if you have any missing data or outliers, they needs to be replaced with the correct data. And because this is a estimation technique, estimation process, it says, so basically it replaces the value with the most likely value that you see in your data set, right? So that's the estimation process. Now coming next, which is a mean value imputation, right? So in the imputation, there are various techniques. So there's one which is mean value imputation. The second, which is stochastic mean value imputation. The third one is regression imputation. The fourth one is hot DAC imputation. The fifth one is your cold DAC imputation, right? So we'll talk about all these different imputation techniques one by one. So I think let's start with the mean value imputation. So in the mean value imputation, as it says, we have to take the mean. So this technique, which is mean value imputation, only works if there is no trend and seasonality in your data set, right? So if there is no trend and seasonality in your data set, it means you will get a constant mean, a same mean throughout in your data set. So apply this technique to impute the missing data or missing value or outlier. If you see there is no trend or seasonality in your data set, then this will work. But if you think that you have certain trend and seasonality in your data set, then you have to use the stochastic mean value imputation. So, and it says if there is some trend and seasonality in your data set, because you need to account for, you need to adjust your values, to accommodate the noise and variability in your data set. So what we do in this stochastic mean value imputation, so we take a random variable and which is being added to the mean. So you take a mean and then you add a random variable to that mean. Now, and how do we consider a random variable? There's a couple of things that we need to understand, while which random variables needs to be added to the mean. The random variable that we need to add to the mean should observe a normal distribution, right? And that random variable should have a zero mean, and the standard deviation for that random variable should be equal to the standard deviation of the actual observed data. That's how we should be selecting the random variable that is to be added to the mean if you see any trend and seasonality in your data set, right? And to impute the value for missing data and an outlier. In that case, we use the stochastic mean value imputation. Now coming to the regression imputation. So what is a regression imputation is? I understand. If you find that there's a variation in your mean value imputation, right? If the mean value imputation is not constant, it's either increasing or decreasing. You see some variations. So in regression imputations, we calculate the missing value using a model. So in this technique, we use a model to predict the missing value in the regression imputation, right? Now coming to the hot DAC imputation. In the hot DAC imputation technique, it says, which is one of the oldest technique, right? So it says that it is basically based upon the last value carried forward method. So whichever the last value that needs to be considered, to impute the missing value or the missing data. And as it says, it's a hot DAC, right? So basically, it's all about the DAC which are kind of which are in use, right? We'll talk about more this in this. I'll be putting up a video as to how should we do this technique in Excel. So please continue to watch my videos. And the last technique, which is a call deck imputation, which is another. Which is again in context of deck of card which are not in use. So I request you to please stay tuned to my channel, because I'll be posting a lot of videos about how these all imputation techniques will be sort of doing practically in Excel, so that we get a better understanding, right? So yeah, so thank you guys for watching this and have a good day. Bye bye.